In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view app usage in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a remote team or simply keeping track of your personal productivity, understanding app usage can provide valuable insights into where time and effort are being allocated during your workday. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to view app usage within the Hubstaff platform. To begin, you'll want to open Hubstaff and navigate to the left sidebar. Here, you'll notice a variety of options that allow you to effectively manage and analyze different aspects of your workflow. For our purpose today, you'll need to locate and click on Activity. Under this section, you will see an option labeled Apps. This is where detailed information about the app usage will be presented. Once you've clicked on Apps, the interface will present you with a new dashboard specifically designed to offer insights into how time is being spent across different applications. However, before delving deeper, it's important to set the correct context for the data you wish to review. This is done by selecting the appropriate date range. At the top of this dashboard, you'll see a date range selector. Clicking on this will allow you to choose the specific time frame for which you want to view app usage. You might be interested in reviewing data for just a single day, the entire week, or even tracking an entire month's worth of activity. Selecting the correct date range is crucial as it ensures the data you're analyzing is relevant to the period you're interested in. After setting your desired date range, the dashboard will populate with detailed information about the applications used during that time. You can expect to see which apps were utilized, and often a breakdown of how much time was spent on each application. This information can be incredibly useful for understanding productivity patterns, identifying frequently used tools, and even uncovering apps that may not contribute positively to productivity. Taking a step further, if you're using Hubstaff to manage a team, this feature helps provide a clearer picture of your team's workflow. It can assist in ensuring that the tools you're investing in are being effectively utilized and help in making informed decisions about app licenses. One tip to enhance your analysis is to periodically review these insights. Regularly checking app usage can alert you to shifts in productivity trends, allowing you to be more proactive in your managerial approach. And there you have it. Viewing app usage in Hubstaff is a straightforward process, but offers deep insights into how time and digital resources are being managed. By following these steps, you're better equipped to harness these analytics to enhance productivity and make data-driven decisions. Thank you for tuning in today. Feel free to explore and familiarize yourself with the app usage feature and leverage it to its full potential. Until next time, happy exploring